So I cut my hair short, which is really fun, and I've been trying to sport like this middle part, short, blunt hair, and it's been great. This is how my hair looks air dried. But I figured it'd be fun to film how I style my short hair just because it's been a new change for me, and I thought this would be a really interesting video for you guys to see as well. I washed my hair with the Kristen Ess purple shampoo as well as the Pureology like gold shampoo. So that's how I get my blonde to be this color. And then today I actually tried out for the first time the air dry cream from Kristen Ess, and I think that's what's given my hair like such a nice kind of like natural wave to it. And maybe this is my natural hair texture and I just didn't realize it. I don't know. I go for really low maintenance, like it can blow in the wind and go all over the place, but I can always just kind of get it right back to where I want it. That's pretty much how I style my hair. It is still slightly damp, but I don't care. So for styling, the product I use is the Kristen Ess straightener. I heat it up to about 400 degrees. I found 365, it's just a little bit not hot enough for my hair to keep a curl. So this heats up pretty quick. I love the size of it. It's a lot bigger than my Chi, but it's still probably about 1 inch across to maybe 1.5. My only complaint with this is it stains like crazy. I don't know if you can see, like it's looking pretty white, but I promise it's like yellow in person. So what I'm gonna do, because I really like to focus on the front of my hair being curled back, is I'm going to just barely fluff the pieces underneath. So at an angle from the ear going up to right below the temple, or the crown, temple, right below the crown of my head is where I'm going to portion off my hair. Hi. So I like using just like a wide tooth comb to kind of comb through my hair, and I kind of just start going, I don't know, whatever. I just use this, I curl away from my face, and then I kind of pull, and then I go straight down. And this is kind of the curl that I got, which looks very much like a curl, but the ends are straight. The underneath pieces, I don't really curl too much, but I do like focusing on the back pieces since that's what you can really see. So I twist away from my head. You'll see there's a little piece out. I pull and then I go straight down. And that's how I curl these pieces that are underneath. I only curl like about 3 or 4 of these pieces, and then the rest I'll just kind of grab and just kind of like half curl them under, just so that they don't flip out, because my hair more naturally curls up this way than underneath, and I want it to be more under. So you can see that's kind of how these pieces look. And then these ones I will straighten out with my fingers, and they just add a little bit more volume at the bottom. So you'll see the difference between one side and the other. Super fun. Hope you guys are cool. I'm gonna speed this up a bit. Ah, yeah. Getting those little ends all curled. Okay. So for the back of my head, I can't really see it. So we gonna grab our mirror. She looks bad. We'll make it work. The back of my hair is like super duper frizzy, and it doesn't curl super well, which is awesome. I love it. And you might see me recurl a couple pieces too, especially as they've dried, or if I feel like they need a little bit more body. You know what I mean? I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna do one more curl of this actual crown section. I'm gonna twist the first part and then go back over the ends. And then do a little piece on the other side going the opposite direction. So we're still getting that kind of reverse curl. Cute. If I feel like any of these bottom pieces are just looking kind of wonky, I'll like try to fix them, but we can't fix everything. Okay, so now I'm gonna let that top section down, and now we kind of know what to work with. Again, starting kind of in the middle section, going forward, and then I'll go back. That's kind of what works for me. And I'll just grab pieces and just start curling away from my face. And do that same thing where I curl and then kind of go straight at the ends. And that's what gives it kind of this natural wave, but like you clearly styled your hair. So what's really cool is when my hair is fully dry and I've slept on it, it has a little bit more of a natural wave to it. And so in the morning, this is actually really easy to do because I only have to curl pretty much a couple of the top pieces, but for most of it, they already curl away from my face and it's like no big deal, which is cool. And I don't want to be like too stuck on it being messy or being neat. I just want it to look like, I tried a little bit harder than usual. Also, the Kristen Ess hairstyling tools and stuff, they really are worth the hype. They're really amazing. Like this straightener, the second I bought it, like at first I was kind of freaked out because I've always used a Chi. And then when I bought this one, I was like, wait a second, this is kind of amazing. I've never looked back. I don't remember using a Chi. I don't think that was me. That was some other girl and she's gone. She can't come to the phone right now because she's dead. Okay, can we also talk about the fact that Taylor Swift is totally coming out with new music? And I don't care what you guys say, all of the theories are true. I believe all of them. And I don't know what kind of Hillary Duff, daisy, flower, rainbow stuff we're gonna get, but I'm so excited for it. I cannot wait. It's gonna be the Metamorphosis 2.0 and it's gonna be the best freaking music ever released in the history of ever. Let's see how it's looking. Can you see it? Yeah. So right here in the middle, I like grabbing a section and doing that same thing I did before where I just curl it like it was curling the crown. That way we've got like a little bit more body right in the back of my head because I live in Texas and as much as we want to be like a modern girl who just has like effortlessly beautiful straight curly hair, like hun, you live in Texas, you need a little bit of wave. So now that I have all the curls officially done at 13 minutes, thank you very much. I'm gonna go in with that wide tooth comb that I just dropped in the sink and now it's all wet. And I'm going to just brush out the curls. And what I like about doing this is I can really look at my hair and then see if like anything needs to be recurled or straightened. Like if it looks a little bit too wavy, I'll just grab my straightener and just and then you can kind of grab a couple pieces that maybe got lost and kind of re-curl them just a little bit. Yeah. Let's check the back, see how she's doing. That's not bad. It's okay. My only complaint is when the back curls up like this, poof, and I'm like, hun, no. I hate that, because that's not what we're going for. It's better. It's not gonna be perfect. I'm not too worried. So I'm just gonna freshen up a couple more pieces. Okay guys, so that is how I get my slightly effortless, about 15 minutes, loose wavy curls for short hair. This is how I style my hair and I love it. I think it's a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to check out any of the products that I used, they will all be listed. I was unplugging this. They will all be listed in the down bar. And if you want to see any more hair care videos like this, just let me know. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys next time on my channel. Cleaning up now.